Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today on my porch, I found my 2 orders from Hobonichi. I'm super happy about that, and I want to share them with you, but I'm going to do them in 2 videos. So the first video, I will do one of these boxes. But what I want to show you is, for those of you who have ordered from Hobonichi before, you know that the boxes, they came in little sleeves, and this year I've seen a lot of videos where they did not come in sleeves, including mine, and so they're a little bent up. This one's actually in really good shape, so I'm going to keep this box. But what I wanted to show you was this little scuffy area. They had the shipping package over the box, and as I was trying to take the shipping label off, it sort of tore my box, and my husband was walking by and he's like, "Oh, I know how to fix that." And I'm like, "What?" He goes, "All you do is use a hairdryer." So he got out the hairdryer and he put it on heat and he slowly peeled the label off, and sure enough, the label came off this one flawlessly. And since this one I had already started without the hairdryer, you can see the other half, it worked. So if you ever want to remove a shipping label, use a hairdryer. It's amazing. I never knew that. With that said, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This is the one we'll open. I know that's silly, but it works because I really don't know what's in each box. I know what I ordered, but I don't know what they put in each box. Let's go ahead and open it up. While I was waiting for my order, I have been doing nothing but obsessively watching all the YouTubers opening up their Hobonichi boxes. It's so much fun. And now I get to see what is in my box. And of course we have the saying from Hobonichi, which I will let you take some time to look that over. And let's see what we have. So we will start with the free little gift, which every year they give out a little pin, and this is such a cute color. This is my 3rd year doing Hobonichi. I did one last year, but I did not do the year before, but I did the year before that, which I think was 2019. So here's the Hobonichi pin. Of course you have the red, blue, and black. Very nice. Absolutely love those. Oh, here is the spoon. It's got a little smiley face on it. Can you see the smiley face? So a spoonful of sweetness. This is another one of the free gifts. Oh, he's adorable. And then there's a little keychain. I have seen people put this on the tab of their Hobonichi, so I will do that. So here is my weeks, and I believe this color, this is Nuance, and it's called Mint Soda. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I did not do the weeks this year, so I thought I would start it for 2022. Oh, this feels good. It has a silver embossed 2022. Has it right there too. This feels so good. And here's a pocket. I did the weeks the first year I did Hobonichi, and so now I'm ready to do it again. So this way I can just throw it in my purse. I ordered something by accident. Well, when I ordered it, I didn't think it was by accident. Oh, here's the little cat card. But after I was reading, I ordered, let me show you. I got the cover on cover for the weeks, which is this one. I thought that would look so pretty. After I ordered it, I was reading more about it, and they said it doesn't go well on this particular weeks. But since I already ordered it, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see if it works. So let's see what happens. They say it's not a good fit. And I'm sure they're right, but let me just go ahead and take a look. This cover on cover is called Season of Hope. I guess because it's so rubbery, it has a hard time sliding. Oh, I think it looks beautiful. I think I can make this work. What do you think? This mint soda is so beautiful. Okay, this makes me super happy. Okay, good. And this was a little pamphlet that came in here. Aww. That is adorable. That is so cute. And this little kitty cat has this little Hobonichi spread. Here I have the Wish Upon a Star. It's a plain Hobonichi notebook. Very, very cute. It reminds me of fairy tales. So this is just a notebook. This is not a planner. How beautiful. And so it has the grid paper, and it has a little reddish color first, then some green and some blue. Very nice. All right, the next thing I have is another cover on cover. I think this is for my A6, which is this one. So this one's titled, Shall We Have Some Tea? I love that blue color. That's so pretty. So this is the A6 size. And I have the Hobonichi Techo Planner. And they have the beautiful pink tabs on the blue ribbon. And my last little goodie is some washi tape. And this matches the Shall We Have Some Tea. I will open this later because I don't want to take the bow off yet. I want to keep admiring it. If you can see, that's the washi tape. And here are my goodies. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am super happy. I am so surprised that this turned out, because everything I was reading, they were saying this cover on cover does not fit the mint soda, but it does, and it looks just beautiful. Put my little pin on. There we go. Yeah, that's kind of cute. It's a little weird, but I like weird. There's nothing wrong with being a little weird. Okay, I'm going to use that. I think that looks awesome. Otherwise, it's just going to go in a drawer. So why not use it and enjoy it? There we go. And there we have it. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you had as good a time as I did, seeing what was inside the box and taking them all out and putting them together. I want you to have a nice day and check out the next video when I open up box 2. Thank you again, and bye-bye.